Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. On this video we have a 2015 Ford Police Utility with about 102,000 miles that is now ready to be sold. So this vehicle obviously is a one owner, okay? Clean title, just like all of our vehicles, okay? And yeah, this car just got finished and wanted to make a quick video of it before and post it before it gets scooped or sold by one of our security companies. So here we go guys, 2015 Ford Police Utility with 102,000 miles. Okay, here we go. So we'll start at the top here. Okay, for the first time we're gonna do a video. It's quite hot outside, so we're gonna do the video inside our warehouse. So please, I do apologize if we do have a bit of a mess. So we work here, so it's not our showroom. This is where we work. So here we go, guys. On the spotlights, we have brand new Unity spotlights, fully functional. Okay, brand new Weston push bar. Okay, brand spanking new, guys. Okay. Tires are the Goodyear Eagle RSA's, good tire life remaining. All right. You do have two antennas at the top. They are display only, okay? And one by the window, okay? Again, they're not connected. They are just for display only. Remember guys, the Explorers are all-wheel drives. Some of the newer years, as far as gas-wise, they are coming out with the flex fuel option. This is not a flex fuel option. This is regular gas, okay? 2015 model year, regular gas. I believe the 18s and 19s, and I have seen some 17s with flex fuel option. All right, so now let's get to the inside. All right, so we got driver's door. We got a brand new dome light or ticket light. Center console with some cup holders. So this vehicle does have the, here, let's look. Actually, no, it does not. Some of the Explorers do have the auxiliary 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that is your command for, or how to turn on your lights using this simple setup, but this vehicle does not have it, okay? You do have power, what is it called? The pedals, adjustable pedals, okay, as well. All right, so on the dome light, you do have white and red. Perfect. All right, so now let's get to the back. You have a nice Setina setup here, plastic seats, seat belts. Here's a picture of the back. Pretty clean. Pretty clean, guys. All right, so let's get to the trunk. All right, so here's your trunk. With this nice metal tray, like that, it could only be accessed from the outside. Well, when you open up the tailgate, that's the only way you can access this. From the interior, obviously you cannot access it. That's just what it is. That's just what this setup is. Okay, this definitely moves up or down. You know, it does have latches here, 1 and 2. Okay, and there you go. All right. Okay, so we also have parking sensors in the back. Okay. All right, so now let's come out this way. So here the other antenna. All right, so let's go to the passenger rear door. Absolutely gorgeous, actually. You know, came out real clean. All right, so now we'll go to passenger front door. All right, and now let's get to the engine. Okay, so and here is our engine bay. Okay, remember guys, on none of our engine bays on all of our any of our cars do we actually pressure wash any engine. That's just our policy. We're gonna clean it up as best as we can, but we're never gonna spray it with any water. We don't want to harm the vehicle, damage it, because there's a lot of electronics. The cars are not brand new, right? So we don't want to harm the engine. Okay, so that's just our policy on any vehicle that you buy from us. Okay, now I'm gonna be quiet. I thought you guys actually get to hear the actual engine at idle. All right, so now let's get to the miles. All right. So we have 102,299 on the miles. There we go. And let's take a look. Let's see if we could find. So we got 22,072 on the engine hours and 18,793 on the idle hours. Remember guys, these cars are meant to idle for a long time. So idling is not our concern on these vehicles. Okay, so let's go right outside. And there you have it guys, 2015 Ford Explorer, stock number 10278. That will be available for sale today. Okay, so I'll go ahead and post it up today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 909-457-5500. My name is Antonio. Feel free to ask for me. Okay, and we'll be more than happy to help you out with everything you might need. Okay, guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button for more cool Interceptor videos. All right, guys, about to hit the 10-minute mark on this video, so that's practically my benchmark on this. Appreciate your time, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.